The introduction and establishment of the collaborative team meeting is a vital first step in implementing collaborative response, but it takes some careful planning and consideration by leaders. When introducing it to the staff team, it's important for leaders to be intentional and focus on growing understanding of how it functions to place focus on classroom instructional practices and responsive supports. Join us for the online workshop, 4 Mistakes Leaders Make When Planning for Collaborative Team Meetings, part of our Supporting Collaborative Response series. In this on-demand workshop, I share 4 mistakes we often see leaders make when planning for their first collaborative team meetings, whether the structure is new to the school or being reintroduced for another school year. I also share numerous ideas, resources, templates, and samples to help leaders address these mistakes. Purchase the workshop, and you'll also have the ability to replay all or any portion of it as you wish. Register today to learn more about how to avoid these common leadership mistakes and how to set up your first collaborative team meetings for success.